Hey there, speedy friends. Are you ready to race with the fastest animals on Earth? Buckle up. These creatures are about to zoom past us. Let's start with the cheetah, the champion of the land. Cheetah sprinting up to 70 miles per hour. Imagine playing tag with a cheetah, you'd never catch it. Next up, dive underwater. Sailfish, fastest swimmer in the ocean. Pointy bill slicing through water, 68 miles per hour. That's faster than most speedboats. Don't forget the skies. Peregrine falcon, ultimate flying champ. Falcon dive, up to 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Zoom. But wait, there's more. Pronghorn antelope, nearly as fast as a cheetah and can maintain speed. Australian tiger beetle, sprints so fast it sometimes can't see where it's going. Isn't it wild how different animals have their own super speed? Swimming. These creatures are true speedsters. Which animal would you race with? I'd pick the sailfish. Maybe it could teach me to swim super fast. Thanks for zooming along. Stay curious and see you next wild adventure.